human eye helps us to see the objects and things in our surroundings. Image of the object that is in front of our eyes is captured on the retina, which is then sent to the brain to process and understand what it is. Light rays enter the eyes through the cornea. Cornea is like a front window which will help the light to bend and pass through this pupil. Pupil is the mid part of the iris through which light enters to the lens. Our lens is a clear flexible structure which will compress and elongate to focus the light rays on the retina. After passing through the lens, light rays enters this gel-like substance called vitreous humor, which maintains the shape of the eyeball in a spherical shape. These light rays that come and fall on the retina is captured by retina, and these are sent to the brain via nerve impulses. These nerves carries these light impulses to the brain, and brain pursues the object, and damages to any part of the human eye can cause vision impairment. Sometimes when we enter a dark room, you'll not be able to see anything for a few seconds. Why do you think this will happen? This happens because pupil controls the amount of light that enters the eyes. In a bright light environment, iris contracts so that the pupil is very small and the tiny amount of light particles enter. As soon as we enter a dark room, the tiny amount of light particles that can enter through the small pupil will not be sufficient to generate the images of the object, and hence it takes few seconds for iris to expand so that more amount of light particles can enter through the pupil, and that is the reason you don't see anything as soon as you enter a dark room.